Today I'm sharing with you how are folks born in the month of May. So if you don't know your birth year or birth date, but you do know your birth month, then you are in luck. I'm about to share your success, your relationship, your personality, money, and some career advices. Stay with me. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani. Welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show. Today I'm sharing with you all about, in this series on month, so far we have talked about January, February, March, April, and today is all about month of May. If you want to know more about you before I share, quickly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell notification so you don't miss the episodes that I share here every week, Wednesday and Sunday. Now, if you're born in the month of May, overall, I would say you are imaginative, communicative, and attractive. People are drawn towards you because you have some creative personality and you have some attraction or charisma that people gravitate towards you. And not just that, to you, your repo, your respect is very important. And you are beautiful and smart. So, a perfect blend of beauty and the brains. These are some positive attributes. Now, if we talk about the areas where you need to work or you should bring balance, is that you are very emotional. You listen to your heart more than your mind. And you are conservative in the sense that if you have made up your mind or you know how things are work or they should be, you do not easily change or you're not easily to be persuaded. However, many folks born in the month of may have the ego issues or their dominating nature. And the reason being, you trust very easily. And early on in the life, you're taken granted for your trust. And then you suddenly form an opinion that folks are not trustworthy or you should not trust. And that might lead to some anger and stubbornness in your personality as well. So you got to control. Coming on to career. Well, you do marry your loved ones. Or if you get married, then you build the love and the passion, but you're loyal in your relationships. However, early on in your life, you may have gone through some breakups that may have made you I would say you have some reservations. Either you're married late, or if you're married, you have kids are born to you after a delay. Well, you do fall in love and you learn from that. So it takes a while before you settle and build that loyalty. But once you are in a relationship, serious committed relationship, you are very loyal. Coming on to your career. Careers that suit you very well would be the media, public relations. Think of anywhere where you can use your speech or communication skills, or you do very well in the business. You are creative and have artistic abilities. So creative industries like fashion designing, jewelry designing, interior designing, you do very well. Or media, as I said, journalism, writer, movie industry, you will thrive well. However, you have to be cautious in picking up your career because early on you will be indecisive, so you need to bring the focus. Stay with me. I'll also share some suggestions in Remedy where you find that balance in your life, which will really help kickstart your career. So far we discussed your personality, your positive attributes, and the areas where you need to work, and your relationships and your career. Now let's talk about your health. Overall, you are blessed with your health, but where you need to focus, I've seen usually issues related to your throat or the thyroid or the neck, or I would say you have digestive issues. You're not easily able to eat foods, or the digestive issues could be the stomach ache, or I would say you're not able to eat foods that you like. So focus on that. Another issue where I have seen folks have headaches, issues related to head, could be migraine related issues. These are the areas where you need to focus. And one of the reasons it could trigger is because you are emotional eater. You are happy, you will splurge. You are unhappy, you will splurge in your favorite food. And that time you're not paying attention whether it's healthy for you, whether it suits your system, and that leads to digestive issues, or later headache issues. Now, what I'm sharing here may not hold true for all of you. For some, it might be true. For others, it might not be. So that is where you need to focus. Now, try to bring greens in your health, not just for health reasons, but for wealth. About to share. Stay with me. Let's talk about your lucky days. And when I say lucky days, that means these are the days which you intentionally incorporate in your life, will do you good, maybe for important meetings, important decision making days as well, or if you're starting a new business, buying a new house. The days are Sunday, Monday, Thursday and Friday. Similarly, the lucky numbers would be 1, 2, 3 and 9, and of course 5. What you can do on these dates, if you sign an important contract or begin a new project or intentionally go into the meeting, that will favor you. Now let's talk about money. So you are lucky. You get money for spending what you need. You work hard. However, you may notice you may find success maybe early on in your life, from the age you're born till 35 or after 35. Money, yeah, you are spendthrift. When you want something, you will go for it. Well, this is where you have to find balance. You make decisions by heart, not logic based. You have to inculcate this habit, so your decision making habit helps you focus on the right things and you can prioritize. Meditation and yoga will do you really good. Another thing you can do is, if you're born in the month of May and traditionally you may have heard that you need to wear emerald, please do not wear. For many reasons, I do not recommend emerald, because it may lead more negative results than positive. It may increase your ego or the digestive issues more. Even though you have seen your astro chart and you have Mercury that is debilitated, or it needs balancing, or during the Mercury Dasha it's causing you issues. There are ways where you can get the benefits without the side effects. Don't wear emerald, and if someone has recommended you, ask them the substitute. However, if you need to wear to increase that mercurial effect, don't wear emerald. Instead, even if you don't have issues, you're born in the month of May, try to bring greens in your life. Try to use green in your clothing creatively, not jazzing it up all over. Have green smoothies. It will cleanse you, detox you, but not just the health, good for your wealth as well, because you're born in the month of May. Simple, you can add spinach, handful of spinach, chia seeds and a cucumber, some yogurt or milk and some crushed ice. There you go, especially on Wednesdays. Overall, bring a balance in life by doing more yoga and meditation. What it will do is bring you focus. You need to know your lane where you need to drive. If you are focused on your lane, if you know what to do, and that focus you get into your life, usually people recommend to enhancing mercurial effect. Well, you don't need emerald stone particularly for month of May. Yes, I know, I'm telling you something which you haven't heard, contrary to what you know. I believe the stone, when you wear it, touches your skin, and you're trying to incorporate more of number 5. That is green. By wearing green, by eating greens, you are naturally enhancing. Let me know if you're born in the month of May, or you know someone who's born in the month of May. These are the folks, beauty with the brains, but the heart of a child. But life teaches them again and again, and they get that maturity. And once they find the maturity, they do know how to balance not just the beauty and the brains, but also the mind, the heart. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to give us a like and a share, and let me know if you're in the month of May, which part of this episode you were able to resonate more. Take care.